what's up, and today I'm gonna show you how to rob people safe in Brookhaven. So yeah, it's a really easy task and all you need is a bomb and a bed. So let's start today's video. So first you need to get in someone's house. So for that I will be using this, and then you can just find any house you want. That's it. Now you have to notice that if the door is locked or not. If it's not locked, you can just enter it without anything, but if it's locked, then you need a bed and make sure there isn't any. And if you get banned, then you will not be able to enter that house again, because they will ban you immediately and instantly. So there is no way except if you change your account. Okay, so let's do this. And yeah, all you need is a bed and a bomb. So let me get the bed. So this is the bed. This is the bed and this is the bomb. So all you need to do is just place the bed in here like this, like be in like this, and just tap it out of nowhere, and that's it. Now all you have to do is just get up, jump, and just slip, and then you can just jump and get into the house. And then what you have to do is find the safe. So for this house I know where the safe is, so all you gotta do is find the safe and just, yeah, that's it. And then you have to take the bomb and just put it in there, just tap here, and that's it. You can just press the bomb remote and have the money, and you got the money. So the security has detected you, and the house's owner will notice this, and he'll come and try to find you. But you have only some minutes, or if the owner is AFK, then it's good for you. But anyways, you can just like put the bed like this again and just jump. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just stupid. Okay, let me do it again. Wait. So you can just place the bed like this, and then you can just jump again. It's a bit higher. Make sure it's not higher, then you won't be able to jump that high. Bruh! Look, the house owner just left. Whatever. So all you have to do is just do the bed glitch, and if the door is unlocked, you can just exit it easily. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to all of your friends so they can see this, and if they need this help, you can just share it. So yeah, that's good for them. Comment down below if your problem is solved and if you learned how to rob people's house in Brookhaven. Thanks for watching. Love yous.